We will be making easy cheese pastry without yeast today. I am removing 1 egg's yolk and keeping it aside for later. Let's add 200 ml of lukewarm milk to the egg's white. Let's add 175 ml of cooking oil to this mixture and stir it well. Let's add 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar to it and mix it again. I am also adding 1 dessert spoon of salt and 15 grams of baking powder to it. Let's keep stirring it while slowly adding 800 ml of flour. I am kneading the flour now. When it's done, I am covering the bowl with some cling film to leave it to rest for half an hour. In a separate bowl, I am mixing 100 ml of ricotta cheese with some chopped parsley. You can use any other types of cheese you would prefer. When this mixture is ready, I am leaving it aside for now. I will fill the dough with this mixture when it rises. The dough has rested for half an hour, so I am moving on to the next step. Firstly, I am beating the air out of it using my hands. Then I am ripping off a walnut-sized piece from it and rounding it into balls between my palms. After that, I am flattening the dough on the table using my hands. I am adding some cheese and parsley filling in the center of it, and I fold it over to close it. I use a fork to press down on the sides of it. This is to make sure the pastry is properly closed, and it adds a nice decoration to the pastry. I am using the previously saved aside egg's yolk to brush the pastry surface. After that, I am baking it at 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour. Our delicious cheese pastry is now ready. Enjoy!